What do we got, Ninj?
Just prepping myself for a bit of treatment. My special view, Ninja's blend. Can't bloody talk, but yeah, hopefully after this I will be able to. Much better.
Much
More
better.
eloquent with my words. Anyway, we've got Jerrick here. He's said that he's got a bit of a headache and a bit of jaw stuff going on. So the right hand side, was it, man?
Yeah.
Yep. So let's treat him. So whenever we're treating neck stuff, we always sort of start with the upper back. So we'll do a quickly go through that, and then we'll work on the neck and the jaw. So just start off with a familiar routine, so I can kind of settle myself down and just start to explore. So nice and slow, work through those superficial layers for a start. So we don't want to go too deep. But yeah, making sure I'm cleaning right close into the spine. So that's where stuff usually resides. So we want to kind of check there first and see what's going on. Feels pretty clear. So yeah, I won't worry about exploring that too much further. So next stroke, I want to go inside his shoulder blades, because a lot of these muscles in here, the tendons originate in here, and they can kind of either refer pain or they directly go up into the neck. The origins down here and the insertions up in the neck. So you're right into there. How's that feeling, man?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's referring up to behind the ear.
Yeah, so we're onto a good lead here. So we want to keep on getting into that and exploring it and working that out. So that could, working this down here and fixing that up, softening it right up, that can actually help the headache out. Go through that again. We're a bit sharper this time. Lift my fingers up a bit so I can kind of get right in there like that. There we go. Just give him a bit of an elbow in there. Like that. Right into there, that's it. It's money.
Yeah.
In there like that. So we're really going to give it a good clean out. We soften it up. And is there anything just down here as well, man? Or
Yeah,
is it
it's plenty.
plenty?
Yeah.
So yeah, there's plenty to do. Plenty to work on. Just really holding that and just work it out. Just be patient. It's a real patience game. So it's a bit of an art to be discerning what should we kind of work on and what should we just cruise on past. So, but when you work together with somebody, you can really get it done effectively, because you can kind of use the information. You know, the pains are telling us information about how the tissue's current state is, if it's healthy or not. And so that pain will just sort of resonate with the person. And sort of, you want, as a practitioner, you want to be able to feel, interpret what they're feeling in a way. So when it's sort of solid, you want to just stay on that tissue for longer. And when it's feeling healthy to you, you just probably cruise on a bit and go on to something that's more important. So just really hold on to these sort of spots. Go up to this one too. Hold that, work in on that angle there, and then shift it out. Like that. So I'd probably spend a lot more time on this, but I'm going to move on just for the sake of time. So what I want to do is, I want to get into the neck like this. So right into the base of the skull. So we want to catch all this connective tissue here. It's right in here, and like a lot of times people are really jammed up right at the base of the skull. So we want to really get into here. So I can angle my arm so I can get right underneath and catch right where that's all kind of stuck. And shimmy along, get right under there.
And I feel like my headache symptoms right there.
You feel that from there?
Yeah.
So
right
that's the money?
Yeah.
just be patient and really get into it. So as I go out wider, how's that feel? Is that better out there, or is it?
It's increasing.
It's worse as we get out.
Yep.
So out here is worse again.
Yeah, right there.
Yep.
That's good.
So we just really hold onto this and just wait. And like Jerrick's breathing a bit, so it's kind of letting it go. When you breathe out, that's when you kind of relax more and you can kind of let things go. So encourage people to breathe, or even just to talk. That's kind of part of the letting go process. You can kind of just engaging with people and talking, that's part of the venting kind of thing. And then how's it feel when we go out wider?
No, it's not too bad.
Not too bad. So what we'll do, we'll say that in here is where we want to kind of get out even further. So I'll just change so I can get like this. I can get right into where Jerrick's problem is. But from this position here, I can lean back and kind of encourage that tissue to get out from where it's been locked in, like that. So you see how slow it is, deliberate, and I'll just sort of shimmy in and try and get in between these little transverse processes and just clean where that's the stuck tissue is. Like that. And then we just really get in and then scoop it out like that. You just really even visually see that this is just really stretching that tissue out, melting it out, working it away from where it's stuck. Yeah. Creating the flow, giving the bodies the ability to heal itself, move better, just really get that pain out. And what we can do at this stage too is just, Jerrick, if you can just move your head around for me, just test. How's that feel?
It's pretty good. Remember when I go to this way?
Yeah, where do you feel it?
A bit more restricted. It's a bit higher, I think.
Yeah, so on your skull?
Yeah, higher.
So what we can do is use that information and actually work wherever the pain is. So this case, it's on the skull a little bit. So there's a lot of fascia and there's actually muscles in the back of the head. So we don't realise there is muscles in this kind of region here. So you can work that continued fascia from the neck and just take the pressure off. So just that slow stretch, really engage with the tissue. And just work it out. And you just know what's good, you know, good pain, therapeutic. So just hold on to that for however long. Nail on the spot, Louie?
Yeah, that's good.
Cool. All right, let's do a bit on your neck.
Yeah.
Do you want to spin on your back?
Neck or
Sit
jaw?
up, jaw. Sit up maybe, man.
Might need more of your drink then, do you reckon? The words are still...
Hey, gotta get on this stuff. Mushrooms, me turkey tail, my lion's mane, my yeah, all that kind of stuff.
Good
For the
little...
brain, good for the
Good little sales pitch there for them.
Yeah, get on it. You'll eat just like me. So whereabouts? I'll be able to get a point in there.
Up there.
Yeah. So what I like to do is hold with one hand. So this hand's kind of being supportive, and this one's going to be the challenge hand. So pushing into this spot, and you just have a bit of a feel around, and I can just feel there's a bit of a this tissue here. It feels like it's a bit ropey. So all I want to do is just find angles on that. So I'll go down a little bit, up a little bit. What hurts more? I go up or down?
Up.
So when we go up, so that is a good place to start, because that means I'm pinning it. I'm actually engaging with that that tissue that's kind of bound up. Like that. How's it feeling there?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Tight.
Yeah. So I'm just sort of still supporting with that other hand, because your jawbone is actually like a half circle. So you don't want to push it out of place on the other side. So yeah, we're going right in there. That feels like it's getting better already, actually.
Yeah.
So I might push it down. How's that one
Oh,
feel?
yeah, no, that's good.
Yep. I'll just show you angle like that down into there. And what I can get Jerrick to do now at this point is start doing little micro moves with your jaw, you know, just clenching and opening and side to side a little bit, and let's try and find exactly the spots that are stuck and just pinpoint them, engage with it, and yeah, clear it out. Yeah, good.
Yeah, that's a good one. When I go to the side like that,
Yeah.
I can feel it.
So what I guess we're kind of demonstrating in this video is like the partnership you can have with your, you know, customer or patient, whatever you want to call them. So you can actually really tailor and pinpoint exactly where the spots are in their body that are stuck and blocked, and really explore them. So and you know, explore them in a manner that the person knows it is therapeutic, and they're just going to know in their head that they've been worked out, and that really helps as well, just knowing that you've actually had it attended to wherever you've kind of been feeling stress and dysfunction and pain, these kind of things. So yeah, the wheels are in motion, and then the body can magically, you know, do something with that input that we've given the body, you know. So yeah, it's really important that you can have that kind of freedom of communication and just exactly tell someone where to push. So you're just gonna know that you're gonna get helped out. Yeah, a lot more than you could just let them go do whatever they want as a practitioner. How's that, man?
It's good.
Yeah.
Headache's gone, actually.
Headache's gone.
It's gone.
12 minutes.
12 minutes. Bloody oath. How good's that? So if you have got a headache or some sort of neck stiffness, whatever it is, and a bit of jaw that's connected in with it, this might resonate with you, and you might want to get some. So, so yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. I'm going to have some bloody cocoa.
Cheers.
Yeah.